The Internal Revenue Code is the massive rulebook that governs taxes in the United States. Let's demystify how these laws actually function. The tax code is officially known as Title 26 of the United States Code. It is essentially the master list of all federal tax laws. With over 70,000 pages of regulations, it is arguably one of the most complex legal documents in the world. The code defines how your income is taxed, what expenses you can deduct, which credits you qualify for, and how estates are handled. It is important to distinguish between the tax code itself, written by lawmakers, and IRS regulations, which explain how to apply those laws. Over the last 70 years, the volume of tax law has exploded as the government adds new incentives and social policies into the code. Even the smartest minds in history found these rules baffling. Remember, you do not need to memorize the code to remain compliant. Understanding the basics helps you make better decisions. Subscribe for more money basics and keep your tax strategy simple.